Many new budget custom keys are coming into the market. It shows the growth of the market with premium features at a more affordable and accessible price. So today we are going to review the Ikki68 Aurora. Got to say, man, the case has a nice touch, soft feel, and we've got a bunch of things inside the carrying case. For the price of 129 USD, there's a lot of accessories with the key, and actually I've opened the case, so these extra covers. So let's check out the key first. Gotta say, man, the key looks so good. My first impressions, it looks fantastic. The case is made of polycarbonate. It follows the same trend as the other custom mechanical keyboard like the KBD67 Lite, Portico, NK65, and the batch, damn, looks sick, man. This batch doesn't come with any other keyboard at the same price point. So first of all, I have to mention that I have two plates. One is the alu plate, which is in this cover, and the polycarbonate case is in the case itself to give more flex. So the key has nice soft touch feel and rounded edges. We got a USB type C in the middle, and we've got a bunch of hexa screws which we have to open to get inside the key. Now let's check out the accessories that come with the key. Let me just open it up, and firstly we have got the silicone gaskets. For the key, we have got the pour-on gaskets as well. We got two extra hot swap scale sockets. We've got a hexa screw drive opener. We've got 6 bump-ons. We've got a coin, which says your number of the key, and we have got a designed metal piece, I assume, which you have to fit in here to give it a RGB shine. The top case is made of polycarbonate, as well as the bottom completely polycarbonate solid build. We've got a polycarbonate plate as well, very flexy for that bouncy feel. We've got a silicone piece between the plate and the PCB, and we got the PCB as well, the Fairbanks PCB. Do know that the Durox screw stabilizers, I've done it myself and does not come with the key. We have got all types of layouts, split spacebar, ISO, enter, etc. And this layout looks sick. And we've got a bunch of dampening silicone pieces in the case. One piece I assume is the bronze brass plate. One is for the battery slot, and a big silicone piece for that dampening, so that there's no hollowness in the case. And in the case as well, it's a gasket mounted key, and there are 12 gaskets in this key, but there's a point in these gaskets. Each pair of gaskets you can separately remove. For example, you don't need the gasket in the middle, you can just remove it. Same for the bottom as well. For this build, we are going with alpacas, lubed and filmed with stock springs. For the spacebar, we have gone ink black. And I have to say that for beginners it may be difficult, because some keys are have to be oriented in the correct way. For example, the enter key have to be oriented sideways, unlike the other keys. And same goes with the caps lock. You have to invert the key to fit in. For keycaps, we have gone EPBT GOG bow set. All links given in the description. And as I said, this metal piece which gives off RGB, it's kinda little hard to fit, but you can with a little work you can get it done. And let's fit in the polycarbonate case and let's get for the sound test. So my thoughts on this board. This is a damn good board, actually value for money. It's actually flexier than its competitors like KBD67 Lite and NK65. I would highly recommend this board, and although it sounds kind of muted, but definitely with some mods you can make it talky or clacky as per your preference. I'm going to get another video explaining the configurations of gaskets and tape modding and P4 modding on this board, so stay tuned. Please leave a like if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot to me, and until then, see you guys.